So week 1 of Supreme Spring Summer 22 just happened, and the main item from that drop was the Bling box logo hooded sweatshirt. Now for me, I wasn't really feeling it, plus I'd already caught my BOGO previously, which I was really hyped about, and I felt that I could use the money to buy sneakers, because obviously that's my first passion. But I did see a couple of t-shirts that caught my eye, which were also kind of hyped as well, and I managed to cop for manual on Supreme, and in addition I also copped some additional items. So let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? Lukas here, back with another video, and today I'm checking out 2 t-shirts and some accessories from the Supreme Spring Summer 22 week 1 drop. Thanks for checking out the video. If you're new to the channel and you like all kinds of content related to Supreme, Yeezy, as well as other hype brands and sneakers, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop new videos. And if you do like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. Now today I'm checking out 2 t-shirts and some accessories from the Supreme Spring Summer 22 week 1 drop. Now this drop happened on February 17th, and for that drop the main hype item, or the main item that people were looking to cop, was the Bling box logo hooded sweatshirt. Now I had a look at this, I kind of thought about it, but I was like, you know what, I could spend that money on sneakers or just use it for other things. I never had a box logo hoodie from the fall winter 21, and for me that was a better cop than this hoodie. I also did a review and try on of that hoodie from fall winter 21 collection, so if you want to go and check that video, I'll leave a link at the top of the screen, also in the description down below. Now what I did see was 2 t-shirts that caught my eye. They were still hype items. Now for me these 2 t-shirts were a must cop, so I was able to get the W, manual W on Supreme, really happy for that, and I can't wait to check these t-shirts out, so let's get to it. So altogether we have 3 packages, because I placed 3 separate orders. So we have t-shirts and 2 accessories. Obviously we'll focus on the t-shirts. Alright. Okay, so what is this? Oh, okay, so this is the Supreme candy necklace, which I think was the bonus for week 1. And also a box logo sticker. Here we have 2 t-shirts. Alright. So here we have 2 t-shirts. So we'll take a look at this one first. Alright. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oh shoot, there's stuff on the back? I didn't know that. Okay. So here we have the Supreme gas tee. As you can see, this is fire. I saw this online, I noticed that this was a cop, so because the detailing in this is nice. So we have our guy here, he's wearing a platinum chain with Supreme in coloured writing at the top left here, and then he's got obviously black gloves, a stack of $100 bills, and then what he's doing is he's effectively ironing the $100 bills out and obviously stacking them. And you can see right here is a $5 bill here, and then another stack of ones right here, and we have the corner Supreme box logo right here. So yeah, this t-shirt's fire. I love this. I really like this. And what I didn't notice, on the back it says in white writing, always open, and then the Supreme box logo small right there. So it's pretty fire. So I'm gonna try it on over this t-shirt. Incidentally, this t-shirt is from the Kith Kirby Enthusiasm collection, which I did do an unboxing of as well. I'll leave a link on top of the screen, also description down below if you want to go and check that video out. But yeah, we'll try this on. Shit, it's fire. So this is an extra large, and it was £40 in the UK, and I believe $40-ish in the US. As you can see, comes down to my elbows. I do have on a long sleeve t-shirt underneath, so do bear that in mind as well. Just for reference, I'm 6'6" and 230 pounds, and this t-shirt fits fine. So yeah, really happy with this. So that's the front. Just show the back. As you can see, I think the length is really good, and obviously when I take the long sleeve off, it's going to fit a little bit differently as well. But yeah, really happy with this. So on to the next one. So this t-shirt, outside of the Bling box logo hoodie sweatshirt was kind of the must cop for this drop as well. And we have the owl green Supreme t-shirt in black. So here you have Al Green, who is a very famous soul singer, created a lot of hits like, you know, Let's Get Together and various others, for example. So the main focus is the young picture of Al Green. It's got, you know, gold bracelet, chain, diamond ring, and then it says in silver writing, love and happiness, and I assume this is Al Green's signature. So this is fire. This did sell out. The gas t-shirt also sold out, so really happy to get these in hand. So just for reference again, this is an extra large in black, and this was £46 or $48, I believe. So we'll just try this on. Yeah, I like this. I mean, there's nothing to say this is a Supreme t-shirt, to be honest. And that's what I think is nice about it. So you'd only know it if you knew the drop, and obviously what was in the drop. So yeah, really happy with this. As I said, this is the front, there's nothing on the back, there's plain on the back. So, but yeah, really happy with this. Can't complain, really happy to get this in the collection. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments on these two t-shirts. Did you manage to cop either the gas t-shirt or the Al Green t-shirt? As I said, I know it was pretty hard, but for me, mobile app and Apple Pay were the key here, and I was really happy to get to cop both of these for manual. Now there's two other packages that I got, so we'll just cover them quickly. So again, you get Supreme box logo and the candy necklace, and you know how to do it. I got some Hanes boxers. The colour scheme for spring summer is olive, so yeah, really happy with these. Now, for full winter it was pink, wasn't really feeling them, but certainly the green I thought was fire. So these are Hanes, and I got an extra large. These might be too big. Shoot. Okay, let's see how this goes. That should be fine. I got an extra large. So you've just got Supreme logo on the waistband, and that goes all the way around in white writing. And then obviously you have the boxer in green. Obviously I can't try them on for obvious reasons. It's not OnlyFans, so you have to take my word for it that they're fire and they fit. So I got the pack of two. Now what was surprising about these is these didn't sell out straight away. So I managed to, now the drop in the UK was like 4 PM and I managed to cop these like 11 PM at night. So again, really happy to get this. And then lastly, because it's a new season, I also got some boxes in black. So yeah, really happy with that. And obviously another candy cane necklace and box logo. So yeah, let me know what you think. What you think of the boxes? I think they're fire. Really wanted these. Missed out on these last season, so happy to update the collection. So let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below on the week 1 drop. What did you pick up? How did it go for you? Yeah, appreciate any feedback. So thanks for checking the video. If it's the kind of content you want to see, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell to be notified when I do drop new videos. And if you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the channel grow. And until next time, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.